Hey, hello. Also, this is something I wanted to show you. Here you can see we have this remote control options over here, which we can control this particular desktop and all the local file to our mobile. So if I'm writing anything, okay, great. So right now, just I'm typing in my phone. I'll show you in my screen as well, and you will able to see it is going to, yeah, right. Just I have typed from my phone, and it is going to, okay, glad, fine. Just one tip to start making millions. So I'm just typing in my mobile, and here you will able to see I just typed. It is going to compute over here.
बैग में डाला था नीचे वाले
Yeah, so here you can see we got all the response, and it is at the same time. So now I can control my entire desktop file, local file. So I can technically code now with the help of my phone. So this is a great feature that is being given by this Claude Code. And all you need to do for that, you can go over here. You can see this is all the file that are already available, which you can set up properly. Okay, so if I'll show you, here you can see directly you can go and you can do all the setups. Simply all you need to do, just install Claude to your terminal, and then done. That's how you can make it. Okay, fine. So I might create a detailed video also. If you wanted, let me know, but this is just I wanted to show you. Fine. So even here you can see, just all you need to type like this once you have set up remote control, and yeah, that will be open, it will be working fine. Thank you for watching.